Lizzie here, and today, as you saw by the title, I'm going to be getting a mega parrot from this person called Super Kate. And my offer, I don't know if it's under or if it's over or if it's fair. I think it's a pretty good offer. So, yeah, so let me say yes. Anyways, we'll do the kangaroos first. So I'm giving 4 neon kangaroos. So yeah, I'm giving 4 neon kangaroos first, and then I'm adding after, of course. I'm adding lots more neon legendaries. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will never ever in my entire life scam. It's just no. I don't get how. Okay, I'm Rick though. Come on. Because it's taking up my space. Okay, so this is a parrot, mega fly ride and everything. So, yeah. So let's see. I'm shaking. I won't scam. Come on. If I do ruin my whole YouTube career. Don't kill me in the comments. Oh my god, I can't spell. Okay, you know what? Don't kill me in the comments because I can't spell, but yeah, we're just not gonna look at that. She does, we probably won't. Yes, but I won't. My laptop is like blowing up right now. Can you guys hear that fan? It always turns on. What the heck is that noise? Anyways, okay, trade. So, yeah. She doesn't accept the trade because we're probably gonna cut it to when we actually do the trade. I think there's fireworks. Yes, it's Halloween today. Or it's the day before Halloween. Trade. Rick. You guys are probably like dying to see the trade. So, yeah, thanks for because I'm doing my screen. I don't know my screen. Oh my god. Okay. I really don't like when people are like, I will do it and blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. Bring me into a private server of theirs. And then they're like, I'm scared and stuff, you know? Because then I'm just here for another 10 minutes waiting for them to do it. So I'll be back when she actually gets it. Wants to do it. Yes, I will not scam. Stop freaking out. Don't worry. I'm not going to do that. That's just sick. Scamming is sick. You are messed up if you scam because it's very rude and it's so just why scamming is so unnecessary. Anyways, so I won't. I'm trying to record. I won't. Come on, I won't. Oh God, I won't. Yay. Okay, come on. Trade. Yes, trade, please. Anyways, imagine if my computer shuts off. Okay, it was a doo-doo or a dodo. Oh, sorry, it was a fly ride one. The dodo, and then we had 2 neon golden rats. Here's 2. And we also had a neon king bee. So there's that part. Don't worry, we're fine. Here, you're getting your pets. See? And then there's a neon turtle. I think there's a neon turtle and 2 neon kittens, and that's it, I think. I just calm down. And just to be nice, I'll add a T-Rex. There we go. There. That's it, right? That's it, right? Add what? Add what? Alright, I'll add, yeah. I'll add, neon ultras. Okay, so. No problem. So, that was, a lot of my neon legendaries right there. Okay, let me find some neons. Hold up. Shoot, I said neon ultras. Oh no, hold on, let me find some. Because I don't have any, normal neons down here. I think that was a fair trade, you guys. Tell me in the comments what you think. Was it a win? Was it fair? And there. Oh, you guys, also I have a neon elf shrew, so. Oh, who said make it fast? Oh, okay. So I think that was fair. And I'll add their siblings because that's what I said. Boop. and added your sibs. And I added their siblings. So now I only have, no problem. Now I only have how many nail legendaries? I basically just gave away all mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's okay. Okay. So, I want to show my friend because I finally got it. I've been wanting this so bad. So, I'm training it for a mega owl probably, and I'm really happy that I got it. Finally, someone trusts me because I do have a really amazing fan base. I do have a lot of fans, but it's not enough that where I go and adopt me, I get recognized unless without people joining me. And yeah, I got it. So it's not enough for me to go in a random server and walk around and people realizing who I am or knowing who I am. But yeah, so I'm not saying that as if I'm not happy or something. I don't know. It sounds like I'm not happy about anyways. I got it. I'm so happy. Yay. I got it finally. It's one of my all-time dream pets. I've been wanting this for so long. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Dang, that's a great offer. That's a good offer. Anyways, you guys, tell me in the comments if that was fair, but it's really hard finding trades because not many people trust me because they don't know who I am and that I'm actually trusted and that I give pets after. This is bro, one of my dream pets here. I'm so happy about my, can you wreck this girl? Why? I'm so confused. I'm wrecked right now. Anyways, I'm really happy about the trade. No, don't do it. No, never go first. Never, ever go first. So, never go first. Anyways. Alright, I'll wreck. Which one is it? So, we're going to see if this person scams or not. So, also, you guys leave your offers in the comments. And, yeah. Who's it? Is it this person? It is Neilbard. Dance when AFK. Where is that name? Dance when AFK. Dance when AFK. Dance when AFK. Who? Where? Is it this person? Where? Where? But where? I'm a bit scared, but okay. Okay. So we're gonna see if this person scams. Here's their username. I'm Rec, and I have your user. So I have her user, you guys. We're gonna see if this person is gonna scam. Because really, hopefully not. She's my friend. She's really nice. So yeah, let's hope. Cross your fingers that what if I get disconnect? Alright, no. Alright, no. Yo, I swear, if he gets disconnected, then yeah, no way that he's in the middle of doing a trade and he gets disconnected. Anyways, guys, what you get? Yay. Yay. See, this person is trusted. This person right here, TVXRI, is trusted. Yes, being lazy paid off. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, tell me in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.